Hi, I'm Genuine Nard, like the oil poured out on Jesus' feet in the Bible. And this is my series on everything I've learned about growing my natural hair since my big chop. Let's be honest, this is the scariest segment in the entire series is flat ironing your hair. I have had a ton of heat damage. I'm still growing out of heat damage, and I started regrowing my hair in a natural state because of heat damage and perms. And so every time I look at a flat iron, I kind of freeze up. However, there are some great sleek styles that I do enjoy, so occasionally I flat iron my hair, usually when I'm doing a video. And enough chit chat about flat ironing, here's the series.
This is the last part of the straightening process, and all of the steps before it make it easy and relatively safe. We use the firefighter principles of overprotect and underexpose in each part of this process. In this trilogy, we started by making a pre-poo that stretches our hair naturally, and then we followed up with a comb out that uses an infrared conditioner designed to coat and protect the hair. And then we did a blowout with a high-tech heat spray and a ceramic, ionic, and tourmaline hair dryer. Now we could stop right now. Sometimes I don't even bother to straighten. I think this looks cute and it's easy to style. But this time I will because I'm planning a trim, and the straighter the hair, the easier the trim. And I want to do a length check before finishing this series. All of this protection leads to almost no damage, but we're not done yet. Let's start with the tools. I use a wet to straight flat iron, and this one's great because it has a digital thermometer control monitor right here. I keep it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Do your research about steam straightening. For me, it's the only way to go. I saw this one on Amazon for about $60, and it's been a great low damage tool. It uses steam vents, so all the speed straightening of steam, plus it's super lightweight. I use the handling rules of work in sections and be gentle. So I'm going to finger section my hair so that I can work in a smaller area. Thank goodness for these big clips. Now I want to re-dampen my hair with my tricked out rice water. Studies found that anestasol, an ingredient in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it and protects from future damage. I also want to reapply a coat of my Sleek It heat spray. This coats my hair for up to 450 degrees. Since I'm only heating my steam iron to 350 degrees, my hair should be safe. Now I section it off, and I start in the back where my curl pattern is tightest. I do have a little heat damage, so I want to be extra careful. One more huge clip. And I use my boar bristle brush to distribute the moisture evenly all the way to the ends of my hair. Now I only want one pass, maybe two. So I go slowly and let the iron do the work. And I have no smoke. That is too hot for my hair. Now, few things are more boring than watching me steam my hair, so let's end this trilogy with some old movie magic one last time. Now I can clearly see where I need to trim my hair. My goal is not ultra straight. Remember, one pass too many and you can undo all the work you put into growing your hair. Better safe than sorry.
And that's it. You don't have to give up completely on flat ironing. I know so many natural sisters who do it all the time and it doesn't seem to cause any problems with their hair because they are heat training their hair. I am not at that level yet and I don't know if I ever will get there again. So I will say the less you heat process your hair, of course, the less damage you have the potential to incur. So use this video with a little grain of salt, and thank you for watching to the end.
Thank you again for watching. I would love to hear your success stories in the comments. You can click the red and subscribe to find all the videos in this series. Click here and check out these other cool videos, and click the bell to get weekly reminders when I post something new.